Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. In today's video, I am excited to share a very special handmade creation with you. This beautiful hand knitted model. This piece is not just fashion or decor, it is a reflection of creativity, patience, and true craftsmanship. Every stitch in this hand knitted model is carefully made by hand, which make it unique and full of character. Unlike machine-made item, hand-knitted carriers warm effort and a personal touch. I choose soft and high-quality yarn to ensure comfort, durability, and a neat finish. The texture feels gentle on the skin or gives a cozy premium look. The knitting pattern is thoughtfully designed to highlight detail while keeping the overall style elegant and timeless. One of the most beautiful things about hand-knitted model is their versatility. They can be worn casually, style or special occasion, or even used as statement pieces depending on the design. This model is perfect for those who appreciate handmade fashion and unique design. The fitting and structure of this knitted piece make it comfortable for everyday use. The clean edge and consistent stitches show the care and effort put into every step of the process. Hand knitted items are also known for their durability. With proper care, they can last of many years and still look beautiful. That's why handmade knitting is not just a trend, it is a timeless art. This handmade knitted model also make a wonderful gift ideas, whether it is a for a birthday gift, winter season, or a special occasion. Handmade gift always feel more meaningful and thoughtful. If you love handmade creativity and elegant knitted design, this model is definitely worth appreciating. If you love handmade fashion and elegant knitted design, this model is definitely it represents slow fashion, sustainability, and the beauty of handcrafted work. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment your thoughts, subscribe to my channel for more hand knitted and crochet ideas. Let me know in this comment if you would like a tutorial, pattern explanation, or styling video for this hand knitted model. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Take care and love.